find the dog, what are you gonna do with it?
Sell the dog. We can get lots of cash.
Who are we gonna sell it to?
There's a guy I know. He only buys dogs, but I heard his rates were good. I think his name is Vedal.
He buys the dogs?
Yup, he buys the dogs.
Is he a dog connoisseur?
I think so. He's got like a whole huge collection in a shed. Do you think you could help me sell some dogs?
I don't know. Is it legal?
I'm not sure, but I think as long as Vedal is buying, then it's okay, right? Come on, it's way more fun
you're gonna
than
buy the
mining.
dogs, right? Okay, what kind of dogs? I think Minecraft only has one type of dogs.
Do you think Vedal has
okay?
enough Minecraft dogs? Who cares if it's legal or not? You know.
So based? Uh-huh.
I know I'm based. You don't have to tell me. I'm not going to apologize for being based.
So, are we gonna go anywhere? Or are you gonna just stand here? You're just gonna look around?
I'm looking, I see.
Let's go. Let's go.